Flight delays can be frustrating, especially when waiting for hours. Did you know 47.8% of EasyJet flights face delays? Delays over 3 hours may entitle you to compensation. As an air passenger, your rights are protected under European Regulation EC No. 261. You can claim compensation for significant delays or if your luggage is lost or damaged. For delays over 3 hours, here's what you could be entitled to. €250 for short-haul flights up to 1,500 kilometers, €400 for medium-haul flights between 1,500 and 3,500 kilometers, €600 for long-haul flights over 3,500 kilometers. To claim compensation, first ensure you're eligible. Check the airline's policy and reason for the delay. Use tools like Stop Delays Eligibility Calculator to quickly determine if you qualify. Gather proof. Save your boarding pass, ticket, and take photos of the departure board. If your luggage is missing, fill out a property irregularity report immediately. This record is essential for your claim process. EasyJet offers an online claim form. Airlines may deny claims. Use Stop Delay to overcome challenges. After submitting your claim, wait a few days for a response. If no reply in 30 days, contact customer service. Don't let a flight disruption go unaddressed. You don't have to face it alone. File quickly to receive your compensation. Contact Stop Delay. Our team is ready to assist you. Stop Delay, making your flight compensation claim easy.